Alright, the directions for this problem say the figure is a trapezoid. Its area is 75 inches squared. Find the length of x. So if we look here, we need to look at the formula for the area of a trapezoid. So the area of a trapezoid is equal to a plus b divided by 2 times h. In that formula, a and b are the bases of the trapezoid. So if you look at this general trapezoid over here, a and b are your bases. So this would be a base and this would be a base. It's the two sides of the trapezoid that are parallel to each other. And h is the height, which we are given in our problem here. So in the problem, we know that this base is x, this base is 14, and our height is 6. We also know that the area is 75 inches squared. So now we can take everything that we know and substitute these values into the formula. So 75, because that's our area, is equal to 14 plus x, that's the sum of our bases, divided by 2, because that's just part of the formula, times 6, because 6 is the height. Now we want to just take this and we want to solve for x. So the first thing we're going to do is we're actually going to take the 6 and divide it by 2. We can simplify that and we get 75 equals the quantity 14 plus x times 3. You want to make sure that 14 plus x is in parentheses. Okay, now that we have a number outside of our parentheses, we're going to use the distributive property and we're going to distribute it through the parentheses. So 75 is equal to 14 times 3, that's 42, plus 3 times x is 3x. So 75 equals 42 plus 3x. Remember, we want to find the length of x, so we need to get x on one side of the equal sign by itself. To do that, we're going to subtract 42 from both sides. We get that 33 is equal to 3x. Now this is 3 times x. To figure out what just x is, we're going to do the inverse of multiplying by 3, which is divide by 3. So we're going to divide by 3 on both sides to get that x is equal to 11.